Okay, children. So today we will discuss applications of trigonometry 69 to 78 sums rdsharma. 69 to 78 sums rdsharma. Okay. Coming to 69th sum, children, they have said like this: PQ is a post. Children, there is a post PQ. This is a post PQ or whatever it is, some type of a stand. Okay, of a height A. The height of this PQ post is A height. Okay, and AB is a tower at some distance. This is the AB, some tower. Of course, this is 90, this is 90. Don't forget to put 90. If alpha and beta are the angles of elevation of B, okay, the top of tower at P and Q respectively. Okay, children. So this is A, this is B. Okay, children, this is B. So he's saying the angles of elevation of top of tower at P and Q. Okay, is tower. That's it. If alpha and beta are the angles elevation, so P is down, children, Q is up. From P, the angle of elevation of B is alpha. From Q, the angle of elevation of B is beta. Okay, children, this is beta. Okay, this is beta. Find the height of the tower and its distance. Theoretical sum, children. Find the height of tower and its distance. Children, if this is A, this is also A. Okay, and this is we will take H. This is we will take B. In the final answer, our B and H should not be there. That's all. Only answers we should have A, beta, and alpha, children. Okay. Can anyone say what is tan beta, children?
H by B.
Tan alpha.
H plus A by B.
Okay, children. So H is equal to B tan beta. H plus A is equal to B tan alpha. Substitute H here, children. When you substitute H here, B tan beta plus A is equal to B tan alpha. Okay, children. Bring this here. So A is equal to B tan alpha minus B tan beta. Take B common, children. Tan alpha minus tan beta. Bring that down, children. B is equal to A by tan alpha minus tan beta. Now he asked, we have to find out H, children. Total height of the tower is A plus H. H we should find out. We know H is equal to beta alpha. H is equal to beta and beta. Sorry, H is equal to beta and beta. So how much we got B, children? A by tan alpha minus tan beta we got already. B into tan beta. This is only H. But total height of the tower, if you want, A plus H, you should do, children. A plus, what is H value? A tan beta. This you substitute here, children, by tan alpha minus tan beta. LCM. What is LCM, children? What is LCM? So tan alpha minus tan beta. So this is 1 into this. So A tan alpha minus tan beta plus A tan beta. Okay, children. So what is answer? A tan alpha minus A tan beta minus sorry, plus A tan beta by tan alpha minus tan beta. This is gone. So the total height of the tower is A tan alpha by tan alpha minus tan beta, tan alpha. In the final answer, is A and alpha and beta only are there. Whatever we took H, B should not be there. It should not reflect in the final answer. Okay, children? I hope.
Sir, can you move the camera?
Sir, I don't understand. Can you repeat? Sir, can you repeat?
Which one I should repeat?
So from H goes to beta and beta.
Yeah, first I took H beta alpha. I substituted here. Then I got.
I understood that, sir. Not from there. From the next one. From the right side.
Okay, so that we got H is equal to beta and beta. That this B we substituted here. This B we substituted here. We got H. After getting H, total height of the tower, they asked the question. So H plus A. A is A only plus H. Then I took the LCM. This is LCM. This into 1. 1 into this is A tan alpha minus A tan beta plus A tan beta. This is the LCM item. Tan 1 and tan alpha minus tan beta. LCM is tan alpha minus tan beta. 1 into this is this only, this into A, plus this I wrote as it is. This I wrote as it because this ones are this, one into this. And slowly you do the sum, you get children. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Next one, 70th sum, children. Okay, please see here. 70th sum. Children, 70th sum, what they are doing, they are giving 70th sum. They are saying that 70th sum. Oh, okay, very beautiful sum, children. This is a ladder, is there, children? This is a ladder. This is a ladder. Okay, a ladder. It is resting at alpha. The length of the ladder is 8. Someone pulled this ladder like this. Someone pulled a ladder like this. When they pull ladder like this, it will come like this, no children? Now it is making beta. Length remains same only. Now the angle is beta. Okay, so how much did they pull this? If foot is pulled away by A, foot is pulled away by A, it came down by B. It came down by B. Prove that. Required proof is A by B is equal to cos alpha minus cos beta by
So the left side of the board can't be seen.
sin beta minus sin alpha. Sin beta minus sin alpha. Okay, sure. Sin alpha. Please see here, children. Yeah. So children, this I will take as x, this I will take as y, children. So children, I told you many times, from the question you go to the solution. In question, cos alpha, cos beta is there, sin alpha, sin beta is there. Let's solve them only and we'll get the answer. See the question and do the sum. Cos alpha. Okay. Can anyone say cos alpha, children?
B plus Y by X.
No. Cos alpha is x by L, adjacent by hypotenuse. Don't see this down. This triangle only you see, children. Adjacent by hypotenuse, x by L. Okay. Yeah. Now, can anyone say what is cos beta, children? Cos beta.
X plus A by Y.
X plus A by Y.
X plus A by L. X plus A by L, adjacent by hypotenuse. I don't know why you people are missing. X plus A by L. Okay, can anyone say what is sin alpha? Sin
The
alpha.
sin alpha.
B plus Y
B plus Y by
L.
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 B plus Y by L. B opposite by hypotenuse. Can anyone say what is sin beta?
Y by L.
So
Y
Y
by
by
L.
Y by L.
Opposite by hypotenuse. Y by L. Okay, children. Now you see, children. No one should unmute, children. Just see all of you. Here I will write x is equal to L cos alpha. Here I will write x plus A is equal to L cos beta. Here I will write B plus Y is equal to L sin alpha. Here I will write Y is equal to L sin beta. Okay, children. This if I substitute here, B plus L sin beta is equal to L sin alpha. And here if I substitute x, children, here, L cos alpha plus A is equal to L cos beta. So A I can write as this whole thing you bring here, L cos beta minus L cos alpha. In the same way here, children, B I can write as B I can write as L sin alpha minus L sin beta. Now according to the question, we should do A by B. A by B. What is A, children? Take L common. L cos beta minus cos alpha. Okay. And what is B, children? Take L common. Take L common.
Sin alpha minus sin beta.
L common. Now, according to the question, here alpha came first, beta came second. According to the question, beta came first, alpha came second. We got reverse. So, in both the cases, what we should do, children? I'll see who will tell first. In both the cases, take
minus common.
Wow, fantastic. Very good. Take minus common. Who told? Who is that name? Who told, right? Take minus common. Minus if you take common.
Sir.
Okay, cos alpha minus cos beta by. Here also take minus common, children. Minus if you take common, reverse. Sin beta minus sin alpha. Okay. Minus gone. So your answer is ready. That's all, children. Very easy. Whatever they give, cos alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, I found out. I got subject A, I got subject B. According to the question, divide A by B. I divided, I got the answer. But according to the question, I got reverse. So I took minus up common, minus down common, minus cancel. Beautiful function. Only thing is, you should.
So why you did minus common?
If you don't take minus common, how it will become reverse sum? To make it minus common, if you take minus cos alpha, minus into minus plus cos beta. If you take minus common,
Sir, if we take minus common, it will become minus cos alpha plus cos beta, right?
Yeah, that one, how minus cos alpha, minus into minus plus cos beta. Minus cos alpha, minus into minus plus cos beta. That is only there. Okay, children, next one.
Sir, I did not understand the question.
Who did not understand the question?
Sir, Ishan.
Okay, now I will tell later. Just 71st question. Yeah, children, 71st question. Please check, children, 71st question. A tower substance an angle alpha at a point A, children, see here. A tower is there. Its substance an angle alpha at A. A tower substance angle alpha at A, the plane of its base. An angle of depression of foot of the tower at a point B meters just above. Children, exactly B meters above. B meters above. Exactly B meters above from here. Exactly B meters above. From foot of tower, B meters above just point is beta. From here, they are seeing the depression. They are seeing the depression of the foot of the tower at a depression of beta. At a depression of beta. Prove that height of the tower is. Prove that this height of the tower is. Prove that the height of the tower, entire height of the tower. Okay, children? Entire height of the tower is question. Entire height of B tan alpha. B tan alpha cot beta. This is the question. Those who did not understand the question, I will explain again, children. Just listen. Children, this is a tower. Okay, here some B length something is there. From here, if you see, okay, first here, from here, if you see, the depression of the foot of the tower is appearing at an angle of beta. Okay, and from here, if you see, the elevation is appearing at an angle of alpha. Okay, what is the height of the tower? If this is B, children, if this is B, let me take this as X, children. So, okay, if this is B, children, if this is B, this is also B, and this I will take as I need Y. Okay, children, according to the question, you have to do slowly. You should do, children. If this is X, this is also X. Those who did not understand, I will draw two separate figures for you, children. Those who did not understand, two separate figures. When he is seeing from down, this is alpha. This total, according to me, is B plus Y. B plus Y by X. And another triangle is there, children. Don't get confused unnecessarily. Okay.
So what should we find?
Okay, children. So this is beta. We should prove this. We should prove this height of the tower. We should prove the height of the tower is so and so. Okay, children. Let's go according to the question, children. According to the question, what is the question? You have to prove that height of the tower. This height of the tower is there, no, children. B tan alpha cot beta. We should prove. According to the question, we'll go. Can anyone say what is tan alpha here, children? Tan alpha. B plus Y by X. What is cot beta here, anyone? Cot beta. Cot is adjacent by opposite, X by. So B plus Y is equal to X tan alpha and X is equal to V cot beta. Okay, substitute here, children. X. Substitute X here, children. So, or if you see here, B plus Y is equal to B cot beta tan alpha. B cot beta tan alpha. Okay, children. So, one second, children. Small confusion is there.
Sir, in the second figure which you do, where did you mark beta, sir?
This is beta, this is also beta. No? This is beta, this is beta. No? So cot beta is equal to adjacent by opposite. And in first figure, tan alpha is v plus y by x. V plus y by x.
Sir, angle is wrong, na sir. You took wrong angle. In first figure, you took, I mean, top, and the next one you came down.
Yes, Amma. Oh yeah. Alternate angles. Alternate
Little
angles.
up, it should, beta should be little more up, no sir. From the top, he's saying.
Yeah, from the top he's seeing. From the top he's seeing the
There
depression. No. From there he's seeing the down depression. From here he is seeing the foot of the tower at the depression of beta. So if this is beta, this is also beta. Depression, that is. Okay.
So why can't it be?
No problem. No problem. What I will do is instead of b plus y, directly I will take h children. Instead of b plus y, directly this I will take as h. Okay. So what happens means you see here, children. So tan alpha, according to the question, tan alpha is h by x. H by x, opposite by x. And cot beta is equal to adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? X by h is equal to how much, children? X tan alpha. And x is how much, children? B cot beta. B cot beta. Substitute x here, children. If you substitute here, what do you get, children? H is equal to, instead of x, you put this, children. So B cot beta tan alpha. Hence proof over. It is proof, children. That's it. Instead of taking B, Y, all those confusion, directly I took H, children. So H I took opposite by adjacent, and here adjacent by opposite. Why I took cot beta means according to the question I took cot beta, children. Nothing is of my own interest. According to the question, you see the question and do the sum, children. Next sum, 72nd. 72nd question, children. Yeah, coming to the 72nd question, he is saying, listen carefully, 72nd question. What is 72nd question? An observer 1.5 tall. An observer, he is 1.5 meter tall. He is 28.5 meters away. 28.5 meters away from a tower of 30 meter height. From a tower of 30 meter height. Determine the angle of elevation. Determine the angle of elevation. He is asking to find angle of elevation. Children, this is asking. Determine the angle of elevation. His eyes will be here, not here. So this angle of elevation is asking. If this is 28.5, this is also 28.5. From 30, remove 1.5, children. If you remove 1.5, this will be how much? 28.5. Can anyone say tan alpha, children? Tan alpha?
28.5 by 28.5, that is equal to 1.
Tan 45.
Very good. Tan alpha is equal to 1. Tan alpha is equal to tan
Alpha is also
And 10
45.
gets cancelled.
So angle of elevation is equal to 45 degrees. Angle of elevation is equal to, children, 45 degrees. Next question. Okay, children, just check next question. Children, read the question twice, children. It's about a carpenter. He's making about a stand. All of you read the question twice, children. If not, when I'm saying, you will get confusion, children. Read the question twice.
So can you speak a bit slow?
Children, read the question, all of you. Yep. A carpenter makes tools for electricians. Okay, children. So, please check, children. A carpenter makes a stool for electricians, and the top is in the form of square. Top is in the form of square, where we stand. A stool will be there. No, children, top is in the form of square of side 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, and at a height of 1.5 meters above the ground. The stool, if you see like this, children, it is 1.5 high meters from the ground. From the ground, children, it is at a height of 1.5 meters. And the width of the stool is 0.5 meters. Okay, the height of the stool from the ground is 1.5 meters. Each leg is inclined at 60 degrees to the ground. Children, if you draw an imaginary line here, if you draw an imaginary line, each leg is inclined to 60 degrees to the ground. This is 90 degrees, this is 1.5 meters. Okay, find the length of each leg. He's asking what is the length of each leg. This length of each leg, and also the length of two steps to be put. And length of the two steps to be put. Okay, children. I'll explain the question. Don't worry. Okay, children. First part we'll find out. Then you will understand how to do. So, children, there is a stool. There is a stool, or there is a bench, or whatever it is. This is 0.5 meters where we stand. These are the legs like this. I can't draw all four legs. Imaginary height I am drawing. Imaginary height. This is 1.5 meters from the ground. This is inclined at 60 degrees. Find the length of the leg. Can anyone say how do you find out the length of the leg, children? Using
Opposite by hypotenuse, that is
Sin
sine theta.
sine
Sine 60.
Very good. Sine 60 is equal to opposite 1.5 by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5 by L. Cross multiplication. Meteorodius 3. 2. Meteorodius 3 by
Rationalize.
go for rationalization. Okay, children. So L is equal to 3 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. Children. So length of
1.732.
meters is the length of each leg. Is length of each leg. How many legs are there? 4 legs are there. So 1.732. I hope all of you understood this point.
That's a trapezium, right?
Okay, children. Next one, all of you see here. Next one, children. So next what I'm saying means, children, see here. This is a stool. This is a stool. Okay. Here they want to keep children. This is the stool. Here one step he want to keep. Here one step he want to keep. At equal distances. At equal distances. Children, here one step. We have to climb the bench, stool. No, children. We have to climb here. We'll put one step here. Then we'll climb here. To climb this, they have put two equal steps. 1, 2. Okay, children. So, what is the length of this and what is the length of this? Is asking. Slowly we should do, children. Then only you will understand. And telling slowly, all of you see here, children. Don't ask me again. I will not repeat. One time only you listen. This is imaginary, children. This is imaginary. Okay, this is imaginary. Okay, this is 90. This is 90. So, children, slowly if you see, this is 60 degrees already he said. This is 60 degrees. Okay, now, so if this is 60 degrees, this is also 60 degrees. Can anyone say why?
Corresponding and
The
parallel.
corresponding angles.
Very
As
good.
a parallel.
Yeah, this is also 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. Okay, children. Now, what is happening at equal distances? 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. So, total height is 1.5, children. Total height is 1.5. This is 0.5. This is 0.5. This is 0.5. Okay, children. And all of you know this is already 0.5. So, children, slowly I'm saying, try to understand, children. If you don't understand, I can't help you later. First step for this triangle, I'm writing triangle in ABC. Take ABC down. A, B, C. This is 60. This is 0.5 plus 0.5, 1. Find out base. Opposite by adjacent. Who will give opposite by adjacent, children?
Tan.
Tan 60, 1 by B. Tan 60 is 1 by B.
B
Tan
is
60
equal to root 3.
So root 3 is equal to 1 by B. Okay, children. So B is equal to 1 by root 3. B is equal to 1 by root 3. So children, try to understand. Try to understand. This is how much we got. This is how much we got. This part, how much we got?
1 by root 3.
So this also will be
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
and this will be 0.5.
0.5.
0.5.
So one leg is equal to 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 0.5. 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 is how much, children? 2 by root 3 plus 0.5 meters. Meteorodius, none all of you. Meteorodius. Okay, children. So this you have to simplify, children. How do you simplify? Means this you have to take choice. 2 root 3 by 3 plus 0.5. Okay, children. So 2 by 3 means children 0 2 by 3 means 0.67 into root 3 is how much children? 1.732 plus 0.1. Can anyone tell me calculation?
0.67 into 1.732 plus 0.2.
How much is this? Can anyone tell me?
That would be about 1.3604.
Hey, Nana, mute your audio, Nana. What is that? All rubbish. Can anyone tell me calculation? This both?
1.3604 approximately.
1.36
04.
plus 0.5. That is how much children? How much
Sir,
is this?
altogether 1.3604.
Oh, total is 1.3604. Okay, children, this total, multiply this and add, get meters. This is the length of this leg, children. Now you have to find out the length of the other leg, children. Same procedure will follow, but now we will take this small triangle, this small triangle. The small triangle is very small, children. See here. That is how much? This is 60. This is just 0.5. And you have to find out base again, children. Here also you should find out base. So tan 60 is how much, children? Tan 60.
Root 3. 0.5 by B.
So how much is that, children? Root 3 is equal to 0.5 by B. That is how much, children? B is equal to 0.5 by root 3.
Rationalize.
So this is 0.5 root 3. This is also 0.5 root 3, and middle one is 0.5.
5.
0.5 by root 3 plus 0.5 by root 3 plus 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. 1 by root 3 plus 0.5. Okay, children. So if you rationalize this, you'll get root 3 by 3 plus 0.5. Yes, Sinan, anyone? Question?
Sir, I didn't get the last part, sir. Can you?
This one you didn't understand. Which
From
one?
the B is equal to 0.5 by root.
Yeah. This is 0.5 root 3, Nana. This is also same, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this is 0.5.
Yes, sir.
So this plus this is length of the other leg.
Okay.
That's all. Length of first leg we got. Length of second leg is this. So 1.732 by 3 plus 0.5. You find out that is the length of the other leg. Okay. Mute your audio. Yatin, mute your audio. Yeah, thank you, children. So this is next sum. Children, you have to practice some. If you practice only, you will get. If not, you won't get all the sums normally. In your school, 100%, 900%, they won't say, children. Akka, they won't say. And here I am saying out of my own interest, children. If you concentrate, you will understand. If you don't concentrate, you just think that whatever he's saying, we won't understand. We didn't understand. That's all. There is no other alternate, children. You have to concentrate. 74th sum, children. This many sums, no one will discuss in any school. You know that. A boy standing on the ground, children. See here, very nice services. Okay. A boy is standing on the ground, he's flying a kite. A boy is standing on the ground and he's flying a kite. Okay. With 100-meter string, at an angle of 30 degrees. At an angle of 30 degrees. And that boy is standing on the roof of here. Another boy is standing on the roof of 10-meter high building. And he is also flying a kite at 45 degrees. He is also flying another kite at 45 degrees. Okay, children? He is also flying another kite at 45 degrees. Okay. Question is, both the boys are in opposite sides of both the kites. Find the length of the string that the second boy must have. So the two kites meet. Two kites should meet means what should be the length of this fellow's string? You understood, children, this sum? How to do the sum, I will say, listen carefully. First find this height, children, using sine. After getting this height, subtract 10. You will get this height. After getting this height, find the length over. Again, I am saying using sine, find this height. After getting height, subtract 10. You will get this height. After getting this height, find this length over. Can anyone tell me sine 30?
So sine 30 is equals to h by 100.
H by 100. 1 by 2 is equal to h by 100.
H by 100. So 100 is equals to 2h, h is equal to 50 meters.
Okay, wait, This is 50 meters. From 50 subtract.
1040. That is equal to.
This is 40. Now 40 by L. Sine 45 is equal to 40 by L. 1 by
So
root 2
1
is
by
equal to
root 2 is equal to 40 by L.
L is equal to
40 root 2.
L is equal to
40 into 0.
40 into 1.4.
1.7.
oh, 56.56 meters is length of string of other fellow, so that both the kites will meet. The length of the other fellow string should be 56.56 meters, so that both the kites meet. Very, very important, some children. So many times in our school they have given this exam question. Okay, children, I hope you understood this one. I found out this side, I removed this, I got this side. Using this side, I found out this length. That's it. Whenever you see the sum, first you have to make a program in your mind. How to algorithm you have to make how to do the sum like this. Okay, children. Next. 75th sum. Please go to the question, all of you. Yeah, from the top of lighthouse. On top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be alpha and beta. Opposite sides. Children, he's saying there is a lighthouse. This is the lighthouse. Here is one ship. Here is one ship. Opposite sides, he's saying, no, that's right. From the top of lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships are alpha and beta. Depression, he said, so compulsory I have to put this is alpha, so this is also alpha. This is beta, so this is also beta. This is h, this is x, this is y. Okay, whatever h, x, y I took, you should not be there to find answer. Or if the height of the lighthouse is h, they give h only. Yes, that should be there in answer. And the line of the giant shoe ships passes to the foot of the lighthouse. Show that the distance between the ships is distance. What is the distance between the ships?
X plus Y.
X plus Y.
He's asking to prove it as h tan alpha plus tan beta by. Anyone wants to say this sum? Anyone wants to say this assumption? Yeah. Yeah. Anyone want to say this sum? Tan alpha is equal to
H by X.
H by X.
If I ask
And beta is equal to H by.
you want to say? You want to say the sum? You want to say the sum, Nana?
Sir, can I?
Tell.
Sir, I will try.
H by Y.
Okay. X is equal to
H by tan alpha.
any one only, tan alpha, and y is equal to
Y is equal to H by tan beta.
Okay. Now distance is equal to
X plus Y, that is equal to H tan alpha plus H
no
tan
h by
beta
tan alpha by h by.
tan beta.
So what you have to do?
H common.
Okay.
1 tan alpha plus 1 tan beta. 1 by tan alpha plus 1 by tan beta.
Okay, that is equal to
LCM tan alpha tan beta.
okay.
Tan beta plus tan alpha.
Okay, over answer. That is
Over.
answer. This is the distance between the two ships. That's
Sir, but in the question they gave us to prove h into tan alpha plus tan beta by tan alpha with tan beta, not tan alpha.
H is H by 1. Cannot be in the numerator.
Nana, A plus B and B plus A is same, Nana Ishan. A plus B or B plus A is same, Nana. If tan alpha plus tan
Not that, sir. They gave h. So by they gave tan alpha, tan beta, not tan alpha plus tan beta.
This is not plus, this is also tan only.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Tan alpha, tan beta, LCM is tan alpha, tan beta only. Tan alpha, tan beta, LCM is tan alpha, tan beta. Okay. Next, children, 76th question. If you please check. 76th question. Yeah, 76. From the top of a tower, h meters height. Children, there is a tower. From top of tower, h meters height. The angles of depressions of two objects which are on the same line. Two objects which are on the same line, not on opposite sides, are alpha and beta. If this is alpha, so this is also alpha wave. If this is beta, this is also beta. Okay, depressions. Beta is greater than alpha. Beta is greater than alpha, so beta should be here, and alpha should be here because beta is greater. No, greater will be near. Greater will be near. Find the distance between the two objects. Find the distance between two objects is x. You should find out y and t. So children, we know tan beta is equal to h by y. Tan alpha is equal to h by x plus y.
H by X plus Y.
Sir, top angles you won't change, sir.
Yeah, top angles also change. This is beta, this is alpha. Very good. So h is equal to y tan beta, and h is equal to okay, what I will do is y is equal to h by tan alpha. This is going up, this is coming down, and here also this is going up, this is coming down.
X plus
Plus
y
Y
is
is
equal.
equal.
Sir, it's h by tan beta, right, sir?
H by tan.
Okay.
Okay, now substitute y here. So x plus h by tan beta is equal to h by tan alpha. Bring this whole thing here, children. So h is equal to h tan
Plus-
alpha minus h
Plus H tan beta.
So x is h, you take common, 1 by tan alpha minus 1 by tan
Tan
beta.
beta.
Okay, so x is equal to tan alpha, tan beta is the LCM, tan alpha, tan beta is the LCM. So h is there as it is, children. Tan alpha gone, so tan beta comes up.
Tan beta.
Tan beta gone, tan alpha comes up. So x, the distance between the two shapes is h into tan beta minus tan alpha by tan alpha, tan beta. This is the answer. Next, please go to the next question, 77th question. Please go to 77th question, children, all of you. So 77th question, what they have given is, they have given like this, children. A window of house is h meters. Fantastic function. This also 77th. Son. A window of the house is h meters above the ground. There is a
So in the previous question 74, how did you prove?
Now your voice is not clear. Nana, please mute your audio. Your voice is not clear. I'm not able to understand what you're talking. Please. Okay. So, children, a window of a house is h meters above the ground. From the window, the angle of elevation and depression of top and bottom of other house. Here is other house. This is one house. This is a window. From here, the angle of elevation and of depression of another house. I'm just putting the imaginary line. Angle of elevation and angle of depression or top and bottom of other houses are alpha and beta. This is alpha, this is beta. If this is h, children, this is also h.
H.
This is x I'm taking just for my convenience. This is y, this is also my convenience. Whatever I took will not come in final answer. Whatever I took will not come in final answer. Required to prove is asking to prove that the height of the house is prove that the height of the house is h 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, children, 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, children, so a window of a house is h meters above the ground. Okay, a window, this is window, h meters above the ground. From here, this fellow is seeing, one fellow is seeing another house. Okay, elevation is alpha, depression is beta. If this is h, this is also h. This x I took, this y I took. Find the height of the house, this height of the house. Okay, this height, this house height he already gave. This house. Okay, children. So let's check, children. Very easy. So according to the question, can anyone say tan alpha, children?
X by Y.
X by Y.
Can anyone say tan beta?
H
H
by
by
Y.
Y.
H opposite adjacent. So X is equal to y tan alpha.
Tan alpha.
H is equal to y tan beta.
Y tan beta.
Okay. Okay, children. So
Add.
okay. So we have to find out total height of the house, children. Total height of the house means x plus h.
X plus H.
H.
Okay. X plus h means x is how
Y
much?
tan alpha plus Y
Y
tan beta.
tan.
Wait,
Y tan.
wait.
Okay, sir.
This is x by y, and this is h by y. H is equal to y tan beta. X is equal to y tan alpha. So x is equal to y tan alpha.
Tan beta.
And
Alpha. Y tan beta.
wait now a second, because something going wrong. Question is going wrong. That's why. Somewhere it went wrong. Somewhere question went wrong. We did wrong. We'll have to see.
Sir, hypotenuse is not y, sir.
Hypotenuse is not, this is not y, nana. This is not y, nana. This is y. This is y. This is also y. This is y, not hypotenuse. I didn't give hypotenuse. Yeah, nana. 1 second. A window of a house h meters above the ground from here. The angle of elevation and depression of top and bottom of another house situated on the opposite side of the lane are found to be alpha and beta. Prove that the height of the house is h into 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha I got.
Sir, depression means we should take beta down, no, sir?
Yeah, no problem. If we take or no problem. See, if I take here also, it is h by y only. See, if I take beta here, h by y only. Question is wrong. I think it should be called beta. I think question is wrong once, because in the book they have given wrong. Let me check with chord beta. Yesterday I told no. I think. Let me put chord beta and see, children. Then we will get. I think so, children. We will see. Because what I did is 100% correct. Only thing is we will check this one. Question is wrong, I think. Let me check with chord beta. Can anyone say what is chord beta, children? Adjacent.
The chord beta is
Y by H.
y by h.
X is equal to y tan alpha, and y is equal to h chord beta. Put this here, children. X is equal to, put this here, h chord beta.
H cot beta. Tan cot beta.
Now
Tan
total
alpha.
height of the house is how much, children? X plus h.
H plus.
Substitute here. You'll get your answer, children. I don't know. Question is wrong. Substitute here, children. H chord beta tan alpha plus h. Now take h common. If you take h common, tan alpha chord beta plus 1. That's it. Hence proof. Children, question is wrong. That is chord beta. Because in old versions, I remember, children, it used to be chord beta. Maybe be printing mistake, children. In old versions, it used to be chord beta. Question is wrong, children. Not my diagram is not wrong. Anyway, children, last question. Please check. Please check last question, children. Please mute your audio. I'm making some sounds. The lower window of a house. 78 is children. Last question. Successfully, we are going to complete the exercise. Of course, examples are there, children. So whenever time comes, I will discuss examples. Not now. You have to practice on your own, because the solution will be there. The lower window of a house is at a height of 2 meters, children. This is one window. The lower window is at 2 meters. The lower window above the ground. And its upper window is 4 meters vertically above the lower window. One more window is there. This is 4 meters above the upper window. Lower window. At certain instant, the angle of elevation of balloon from these windows are observed to be 60 and 30. Okay, children, there is a balloon. There is a balloon, children, here. Okay, so here one boy is observing balloon, and from here one boy is observing the balloon. So for this boy it will be 60 degrees, because he has to raise his head more. For this boy, it should be 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Question is, find the height of the balloon above the ground. That is the question. If this is 2, this is also 2. If this is 4, this is also 4. Let me keep this as h, children. And this is y means, this is y means, this is y. Okay, children? So, children, height of the balloon means you have to find out this h. To find out this h, we need y, children. Okay, so what we'll do means, from like, yeah. Okay, let me take tan 60. Can anyone help me? What is tan 60, children?
So tan
H
60
plus
is equal to h plus
H
4 by
plus
y.
4 by y.
4 by y.
Can anyone say tan 30, children?
So tan
H
30
by
is
y.
equal to
By
h by
y.
Root 3 is equal to h plus 4 by y. 1 by root 3 is equal to h by y.
Y.
Y is equal to root 3h. Substitute here, children. If you substitute,
Root 3 is equals to root H
h plus 4 by 3 root 3h.
2
H is equals to
meters. If this is 2 meters, what is the height of the balloon?
So height of the balloon
Height of
is equal
balloon
to 2 plus 4 plus 2.
plus
It's
2.
8 meters, sir.
8 meters above the ground.
Ground.
In this way, we have successfully completed our exercise. Okay, now tell me your doubt.